Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel, the DIY Singh. Today in this video I am going to install alpha horns on my 2020 Toyota Corolla LE. I bought these horns from Amazon, link of which is given in the description of this video. Do check it out. We'll do a quick unboxing, then we'll do the installation. So these are the horns which I got from Amazon. These are from Hella TE26 set, Trumpet Horns, and we have to buy this harness so that it can jump from one horn to other horn. This link of this harness I will provide it in the description as well. So that's it. So what we get in the box, we just get two horns, 1, 2, that's all. So basically you need one harness, 2 horns, that's it. It's plug and play installation, nothing to worry about. We'll remove a panel, then we'll start installing the horns. Okay, so friends, to assess the horns we have to remove this plastic piece which is held by these locks. So to remove these locks, you have to simply press it in. You don't need to lift it up, just press them in, it will get unlocked. As you can see, be careful. Oh. Just pull up this cover gently so that the lock should not jump out and fall in the engine compartment. So keep these locks in a safe place. You can keep the stuff over here. It's kind of tray. So now you can pull this cover up, keep it on side. So now we can easily assess the horns. You will see in Toyota Corolla there will be 2 horns. One is in front of this radiator, one is on the right side of the air filter. You can see over there is one horn. So one horn is low tone, one is high tone. This horn works when you press the button on the steering wheel. This horn and this horn, both horns work together when you hold this button to search your car in the parking lot. So I'm just going to hook up the new horns on the one which is at the front side. I'm not going to touch anything with that horn. So without any further ado, let's start the installation of these new horns. To remove these bolts, you need number 12 socket. The good thing about this harness is that it comes with the PVC flexible sleeve which will protect the wire. So let's check the connector. Okay, it fits properly. Alright, so wire is good. Now I have to mount one horn here and one over here. I don't have bolts for this one. I have some, but I think these are not for the exact diameter, so I think I have to remove one bolt. Yeah, I can use this extra bolt which comes with, because the horn comes with the 2 bolts, so I think I don't need to put 2 over here. Okay, we'll put some chain lube in the okay. So now I guess I can put any horn anywhere. It doesn't matter left or right. Okay, so one is 400 hertz, one is 500. I'll keep 500 on right side. Here we go. And make sure the horn is facing mounted like this, not like this. Or you can mount it this way also, and not like this. So otherwise the water will go and collect in this cavity. It will damage the horn. Not like this, otherwise water will go. This is also okay, because even if the water goes, it will drain from there. This is not going to be on the higher side, but this one is recommended. So the brackets are also mounted like that. See, now I don't even need to tight the bolt with the socket. The second one. So for the second one, if I install it here, it's touching with this duct, which is bringing air from the front to this, for this radiator top. So what I have to do, I have to just bend it a little bit. This much is enough. So here we go. Then it will not touch the duct. Okay, so all right, the installation is done. Horns are sitting tightly on this position. Now it's the time to do some wiring. Okay, so this female will go into here. Here we go. Okay, so okay, this is long enough to reach both sides. Okay, I will bring from the bottom side, or I can, okay, okay, all right, this side is easy. Okay, so make sure the grips are completely in. Okay, let's give it try. Then I will tie all these flexible pipes with the zip tie. It's nice. You heard that? It's solid sound. Exactly what I needed. Let's do it one more time. It sounds so good, so good. I really like the sound. Okay friends, now I'll put some tie wires. So make the wire coming out of this horn, like over there, make sure it's coming on a proper 90 degrees. It's exiting the grip at the straight path, not like this way. So make sure you make a nice 90. Okay, so all wires are secure. It's good. Let's put back the cover on. So simply now you have to bring it out. Before it was in, now you have to bring it out here like this. Press it gently. That's it, locked. So that's all. It was super easy. So I hope this video will help you out in doing the same. Thanks for watching. God much bless all. See you in the next video with the new DIY modification. Till then, take care.